Hey guys, we're out here with another vlog. It's lunchtime at Tamalpais High School, and I'm here with Jenna, the makeup artist, and then Hajra.
Close your damn eyes.
Okay. With as our client. You know, I got this stuff. You know, got all the brushes and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? You know, everybody trying to look as cute as her, you know what I'm saying? We got the fans over here, you know. We got the fans. You know, happy birthday, Renelle. Y'all, she's 16.
You're lying.
She's 16.
Bitch, I just barely turned 15 and I'm big as fuck. Biggest foot.
But yeah, we out here, and we'll go back to you when our it's a crisis. Oh my god! Oh my god! She really crawling! Oh my god! Oh my god! Praise the Lord Jesus Christ.
Do you know how to put lash glue on eyelashes?
No.